Battery level is below 20%. Charge your phone.
Alright, now in this video, let's take a look at a very useful tip suggested by one of the subscribers. Now, a lot of times when we are busy at work, it could be your personal work or your official work, sometimes we tend to forget to charge the phone when it is at low battery. We may be so busy that we won't even know that the battery has dropped to 15%, 20%, or even 5%. As in when we realize it, we try to search the charger, or we might have to plug it in and keep the phone for some time, which may disrupt your work. So we have a solution here. The solution is, of course, setting up a notification, but this is not just a normal notification like a ringtone or a beep to let us know that the battery has come down to a certain level. And this, of course, can be possible using modes and routines. We all know modes and routines can do wonders. It's an automation tool which we have it on Samsung Galaxy phones. Let me go ahead and show you how exactly you can set this up to get a voice notification notifying you that the battery level is low. Let's go ahead. Let me just open settings. We've got modes and routines here. I'll tap on this. Now by tapping on plus button on the top right corner, we can create a new routine. Now let me tap on if condition, scroll all the way down. Under device we have got battery level. I'll select this. Now you can set any percentage that you want. Here we can select below, which means you will get a notification when the battery falls below this percentage. I will just set 20%. You can set whatever percentage you want. I'll tap on done. Now the if condition is battery level below 20%. Now let's tap on then condition. Let me scroll all the way down. We have got good lock option here. It's showing good lock because I have already installed a module from good lock called Routine Plus. Yes, this can be possible only if you have Routines Plus installed on your device, for which you need to have good lock in your country and on your device. That's a bummer, but yes, you need to have this to enable it. So let me tap on Good Lock. Now here you can see we have got Routine Plus and Sound Assistant. So we are going to use this Routine Plus conditions. We have an option called Read Text Aloud. I'll tap on this. Here it says read even when sound is muted. Here you can type whatever you want to notify you to get a voice notification. I will just type battery level is below 20%, charge your phone. Now about this, you've got a toggle here. You can see read even when sound is muted. So enable this so that you get this voice notification even when your phone is muted. Now let's tap on done. Now let's say if your phone is on low volume, you can increase the volume level for read text aloud, whichever you have just created, by adding another action. Let me tap on add action. I'll select sound and vibration. Here tap on media volume. Here I can increase the phone speaker volume and tap on done. Now tap on save, set the title and tap on done. This routine has been saved. Now whenever your phone goes below 20%, you will get to hear a voice which will remind you to charge your phone. And when your phone tells you to do that, it's going to sound cool as well. That's a cool routine which you can try. Let me know, what do you think? If you have any special routines, you can just mention it in the comment section below so that it can benefit the community. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like as well. That would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.